Hey, if you're new here, my name is Angie and my channel is all about life improvement. We talk about nutrition, we talk about dieting, we talk about exercise. I also talk a lot about Poshmark because that's my current hobby. I love to buy and sell on Poshmark. But what I'm going to be talking to you today is about my course, 30 Days to Master Macros. It is opening in a couple of weeks and I would love for you to join in. This video kind of gives you the brief version of what the course is all about. So if you're interested in learning more about macronutrients and flexible dieting, watch this video. Hey guys, I wanted to jump on here real quick and give you a little information about my next 30 Days to Master Macros course that is going to start May 6th. I want to apologize in advance because I've got two cameras going. I've got the live camera down here and then I've got the other camera up here because I'm going to put this on YouTube later for those of you that maybe missed this or that don't have Facebook. So if it looks like I'm kind of looking everywhere, sorry, I am looking everywhere. So a lot of you have already taken this course with me and you know how much information that I pack into this course. But for those of you that are not familiar, let me explain it. 30 Days to Master Macros is an online course that teaches you everything you need to know about flexible dieting or macro tracking. It is for anybody who wants to learn more about nutrition and more about eating to reach their goals. We cover what macronutrients are, what they do in your body. We talk about what proportions are right for you, your body type, and your goals. We talk about a little bit about intermittent fasting. We talk a little bit about the ketogenic diet. We basically try to cover everything in 30 days. So, now granted, not really everything, but we do cover a lot in 30 days. I help you create your own plan based on your goals and what you'd like to accomplish. And then I work with you to set that plan up. I teach you ways to implement that plan, ways to know when your plan needs adjusting, and how to do that. How it works is this: you sign up for my 30-day course and it is all online. So you can do it at your convenience. It is Facebook based. So if you are watching this right now on Facebook, you're good to go. We put you in a small group and every day there is a video lesson that you watch. There are homework assignments. We encourage you to interact with the group, to talk with the group, to ask your questions. And basically you get my support, my knowledge in a small group, comfortable setting. The course is going to start May 6th. That's a couple Mondays from now. There is some information and some pre-course work that I would like you to do prior to the course. So once you sign up with me and let me know you're in, I will send you that information. I'm not going to tell you that it's super easy and that you're going to lose 82 pounds in 1 month, because that's not true. It's not easy to change your eating habits. It's not easy to really look at how you're eating and what you're eating and make changes. But what is easy is that it's one day at a time and I'm holding your hand and I'm giving you the information you need in small, digestible bits. I had a lot of success. A lot of people that have taken this class have lost mega amounts of weight if that was their goal. But basically, the knowledge that you walk away from this course with is something that you can implement over and over and over and over again. I like to say that it's adding tools to your toolbox. So again, if you're just jumping on Facebook Live, I'm going to apologize because I'm running two cameras. I've got my Facebook Live camera right here, and I have my YouTube camera up here because I'm going to put this on YouTube later. So if it looks like I'm staring off into space or staring down, I am trying to kill two birds with one stone. What is flexible dieting? That's what I get. Flexible dieting is not something that you can do like for 30 days and then you'll just be like, oh, I'm tired of this. Flexible dieting is something that you can do forever and ever and ever to help you achieve whatever your goals are. You'll have a goal of protein to hit every day. You'll have a goal of fat to hit every day, and a goal for your carb intake to hit every day. And that'll vary. My numbers won't be the same as your numbers because my goals are different than your goals. My body type is different than your body type. So in this course, I work with you to help you establish what some good numbers are for you and your goals. And then we work together to tweak and adjust as needed. We talk about why you need certain macronutrients, why you need certain proportions of macronutrients. We also talk about vitamins and supplements. We touch on intermittent fasting, fasting from the South. We do talk about the keto diet. We talk about all of the stuff that you're getting hit with every day, and we boil it down to the simple facts. Calories in, calories out. How can you make happen what you want happen? So I promised myself I would keep this short and sweet. 30 Days to Master Macros starts May 6th. The registration is $75, but if you're watching this and you and a friend want to sign up together, contact me. I will give you a joining as friends discount. You can register by messaging CrossFit Murray online. There should be a button down here when you're watching this to message CrossFit Murray. You can shoot us an email, info@crossfitmurray.com. If you are watching this on YouTube, just drop your email below and I'll email you. We can make this work. It is an online course. You can do it anywhere. I don't have to see you physically sitting beside me. I love that I get to know new people that I've never met before through this group. So it's all online. It is 30 days. It starts May 6th. And my goal is to teach you how to eat to reach your goals. So hit me up if you are interested in joining this group. I will cap it at a certain number of people because I want to make sure that the group is small enough that I can take care of everybody. Of course, the more the merrier, right? But there will be a small number of you let into the program this go around. This is also my first time doing it in 2019. So it's the perfect time to get ready for your summer vacation, kind of get that diet under control. So you guys have a great day. I will see you later. Message me if you're interested, or if you have any questions, I will take care of you. So you guys have a great day. Stay strong, y'all. Bye.